There was a time, not so long ago, when I felt lost, completely adrift in a sea of uncertainty and doubt, trapped, like a tiny boat tossed about in a vast, stormy ocean, with no land in sight and no clear direction. I yearned for something more, something bigger than myself, a purpose, a guiding star to lead me out of the darkness. That's when a tiny seed of hope took root within me. The idea of manifestation. The belief that I could change my reality. Could I actually shape my own destiny? Could my thoughts and actions really create a new path for me? Could I will my dreams into reality? The possibility was both thrilling and terrifying. This essay is my answer, my roadmap, my open hand reaching out to yours, saying, yes, you can, and here's how. We all have dreams. Dreams that seem distant and unreachable. Those whispers in the quiet moments. Those yearnings that ignite our souls. They are the seeds of our future. But sometimes, life's storms drown out those whispers, leaving us feeling lost and adrift. I've been there. I know that feeling. The feeling of being overwhelmed and powerless. But I also know this. Within each of us lies the power to calm those storms, to find peace amidst the chaos, to chart our own course, to navigate through the challenges and obstacles, and to manifest the life of our dreams. It all starts with a single step, a single seed of hope. The first step to manifesting your dream life is simple, yet profound. Believe it's possible. Imagine life as a blank canvas. You are the artist, holding the brush, ready to paint your masterpiece. Believe in your inherent power to create. Doubt and fear may whisper, but what if I fail? Embrace those whispers, not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone on the journey. Every stumble, every setback is a chance to learn, to adapt, and to emerge stronger. Gratitude is the foundation upon which we build our dreams. It is the cornerstone of a fulfilling life, a daily practice that can transform our perspective and our reality. Each morning, take a moment to appreciate the simple gifts in your life, the quiet moments, the first sip of coffee, the stillness before the day begins, the warmth of the sun, the laughter of loved ones, the breath that flows effortlessly in and out. These are the treasures that enrich our lives. By focusing on the good, we shift our energy, attracting more abundance into our lives. This positive energy radiates outward, touching every aspect of our existence. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple act can have profound effects on your mindset and well-being. As you cultivate this practice, you'll notice a subtle but powerful shift within you. Your heart will feel lighter, and your mind will be clearer. The world will seem brighter, opportunities will appear, and you'll find yourself moving closer to your dreams with each grateful breath. Embrace this daily ritual and watch your life transform in beautiful ways. Visualization is the language of the universe. Create a vivid mental picture of your dream life. See it, feel it, experience it in your mind's eye. Where are you? Who are you with? What are you doing? The more detailed your vision, the more powerful it becomes. Incorporate all your senses. What do you smell? What do you hear? What do you taste? Feel the joy, the excitement, the fulfillment of living your dream life. This is not mere daydreaming, it's a powerful tool for creation. Section 5. Affirmations. Speaking your desires into existence. Words have power. They have the ability to shape our thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, our reality. The words we choose to speak and think can either uplift us or hold us back. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce our desired outcomes. They help us focus on what we want to achieve and keep our minds aligned with our goals. Speak your dreams into existence. By vocalizing your desires, you give them energy and momentum. Instead of saying, "I wish I had more money," affirm, "I am abundant and prosperous." This shifts your mindset from lack to abundance. Instead of saying, "I hope to find love," affirm, "I am loving and lovable, and I attract love into my life." This opens your heart to receive love. Repeat your affirmations daily with conviction and belief. Consistency is key to reprogramming your subconscious mind. As you do, you'll begin to embody the qualities you desire, aligning yourself with the vibration of your dreams. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your reality as your affirmations start to manifest. Section 6. Taking action. Aligning with the universe. Manifestation is not a passive process. It requires action. The universe loves action. It's about aligning your actions with your desires, taking inspired steps towards your goals. Start small. Break down your big dreams into smaller, more manageable steps. What can you do today, no matter how small, to move closer to your goals? As you take action, the universe will conspire to support you, opening doors and presenting opportunities you never thought possible. Section 7. Overcoming obstacles. Lessons in resilience. The path to our dreams is rarely a straight line. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. Embrace these obstacles, not as failures, but as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, every successful person has faced their share of adversity. It's how we respond to these challenges that defines us. When you encounter an obstacle, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I use this experience to grow and become stronger? Section 8. Celebrating milestones. The sweet taste of success. As you journey towards your dreams, take time to celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. Every step forward, every milestone reached, is a victory worth acknowledging. Celebrating our wins reinforces our belief in ourselves and keeps us motivated on the journey. It's a reminder that we are capable of achieving great things. So, pop the champagne, dance in the streets, and allow yourself to bask in the glow of your accomplishments. Section 9. The ripple effect. Inspiring others. As you manifest your dream life, your light will inevitably shine on others. Your journey will inspire those around you, encouraging them to pursue their own dreams. Share your story. Share your struggles, your triumphs, and the lessons you've learned along the way. Your vulnerability will connect you with others, reminding them that they too have the power to create a life they love. Section 10. Living the Dream, a journey without end. Remember, manifestation is not a destination, it's a journey. It's a lifelong practice of growth, evolution, and aligning with the highest version of ourselves. As you continue to manifest your dreams, be open to new possibilities, new adventures, and new dreams that may unfold along the way. The universe is full of infinite possibilities, and the only limits are those we set for ourselves. So keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep taking action. The life of your dreams awaits.